In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a custom route on Google Maps. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to create custom routes on Google Maps, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Firstly, let's imagine we're navigating in a city. To begin, tap on the Directions button in the bottom right corner and choose your starting location. Then select another destination within the city. By default, Google Maps provides directions based on the quickest route. But what if you prefer a more scenic route or want to pass through specific locations? To add a stop along the way, tap on the three dots at the top right of Google Maps. Select Add Stop and Input, or select the place you'd like to include. Let's say you want to include a particular area. Drop a pin at that location and press OK. Ensure you adjust the order of your stops by holding the three lines next to the location and dragging it into the desired sequence. If you wish to add another stop, repeat the process, perhaps selecting a different area. Set your route order by organizing the stops according to your preference. Once you're satisfied with your custom route, hit Done. Remember, creating a custom route allows you to plan your journey according to your preferences, but you don't have to physically stop at each location. To view your customized route, tap Preview and then start navigation. Creating a custom route on Google Maps is as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more insightful content. For additional tutorials and informative content, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.